All right, 13, 14, 15. Here you are multiplying and no, just multiplying with a whole bunch of different signs. Now, as a general rule, if you have an even number of negative signs, a negative times a negative, you get a positive answer. If there's an odd number of negative signs, you're going to end up with a negative answer. So on Alex, they're going to leave all those negative signs in there, and it's going to look like a great big huge mess. But what I do is I look right away and determine, is my final answer going to be negative or positive? Well, here I've got 1, 2, 3 negative signs. I know I'm going to end up with a negative answer. So I'm just going to put one negative out in front because I know it's going to be negative. I'm going to take 9/4 times 2 over 1 because I want that to be a fraction, times 5/9. And that way I got rid of all that extra negative messes in there, and I know my answer is going to be negative. Now we know that when we multiply fractions that we can reduce. As long as I have a number on the top and the bottom that I can simplify, I'm going to go ahead and do that. 9 goes into 9 once and into 9 once there. I can also do the 2 with the 4. 2 goes into 2 once, but into 4 2 times. Now I multiply across the top and across the bottom, keeping in mind that I know my answer is negative. On the top, 1 times 1 times 5 is 5, and on the bottom, 2 times 1 times 1 is 2. So negative 5/2 is going to end up being my answer.
Okay, but I thought our answer was going to be positive.
And why did you think it was going to be positive?
Because we haven't even, oh no, never mind. Never mind, because I'm silly.
Okay. I'm glad we agree on that. So now, Christine, I'm going to put you on the spot. Is my answer on the second one there going to be positive or negative?
It's going to be negative.
It's going to be negative because I've got 1, 2, 3 negative signs, right? So I'm just going to say, yep, I know it's going to be negative. 2 9ths times 3/5 times 4 over 1 then. So if I want to simplify that, is there any simplifying I can do?
The 3 and the 9.
The 3 and the 9. 3 goes into 3 once and into 9 3 times. It's all the simplifying I can do. I can't do the 2 with the 4 because they're both on top. So now I'm going to multiply. I know my answer is negative. Don't forget your negative. And then multiplying across the top, I would get 8 over 15. All right, go ahead and do number 15. This time I know by looking at that problem my answer is going to be positive. So I just for fun like to put a plus sign there so that I know I checked. 5 over 1 times 8 over 7 times 9 over 5. Can I do any reducing? The 5s cancel out. 5 goes into there once and into there once. So when I multiply across, I'm going to get
72
over 7. And again, for fun, we'll check that one with your calculator. So punch that in as closely as you can to what it looks like. 5 times negative 8 fraction 7 times negative 9 fraction 5. And what shows up on your calculator screen first? 10 and 2 7ths. And then how do you change that to an improper fraction?
7 times 10.
Oh, you could do that too.
10 plus 2.
You could do 7 times 10 plus 2. Or on your calculator you do shift in the fraction button. Yeah, even better if you do it yourself. But we're checking it with our calculator. We might as well just do all the check with our calculator.